Boardroom English. Acknowledge uncertainty without evasion. Welcome. In high-stakes meetings, your job is to be clear, candid, and decision-ready. You want to sound transparent, not evasive. Share what you know and what you don't without hiding behind jargon. Show judgment under uncertainty by explaining how you're deciding with incomplete data. Protect credibility and trust through specificity, consistency, and timely updates. And always align with regulator expectations. Document your basis, quantify uncertainty, and demonstrate controls. This video gives you a practical script so executives hear confidence without spin, and regulators hear rigor without fluff. Start by stating what is confirmed. We have validated X across 3 data sources. Next, explicitly list uncertainties. 2 variables remain untested: supplier yield and latency. Separate data gaps, missing measurements you can collect, from model limits, what your method cannot capture. For example, we lack Q3 field data gap. Our forecast doesn't model rare shocks. Limit. Use plain, non-hedging verbs. Say shows, indicates, fails, requires, not seems or might. Clarity earns trust and helps leaders focus on the real risks. Replace soft guesses with ranges. Expected cost is $1.20, $1.6 million. Add confidence levels or scenarios. We're 70% confident in the base case. Downside assumes a 4-week delay. Time-bound when you'll know more. We will narrow the range by November 5th after supplier tests. Avoid fuzzy terms like some, maybe, a bit, which hide risk. Numbers beat adjectives. If you truly can't quantify, give structured scenarios with triggers. If defect rate greater than 2%, we shift to Plan B. If less than 1%, proceed as planned. Use the 3C pattern to sound crisp and accountable. 1. Conclusion, your current position. Example, we recommend a staged rollout. 2. Confidence, why and how sure. Pilot results across 3 regions, 82% success rate. 3. Conditions, what could change it? Supply volatility or regulatory review could delay. Add a 4th C, commitments, your next steps and timeline. Complete security audit by the 15th. Finalize contracts by the 22nd. This structure keeps you decisive while signaling humility and a plan. Adopt language that shows clarity without spin. Try, based on current evidence, we assess, to anchor in facts. Use, we are XY% confident because, and cite methods or samples. Name uncertainties and stakes. Key unknowns are A, B. Impact if high is, to show foresight. Time commit precisely. We will update by date after test. These phrases do 2 jobs at once. They inform decision makers and satisfy auditors by documenting rationale, uncertainty, and planned validation. When challenged, acknowledge the risk first. You're right. The vendor timeline is our biggest exposure. Then answer what you can, then the plan. Today we can commit to 3-week lead time. To reduce risk, we're qualifying a backup. Bridge to evidence and metrics. In the pilot, defect rate fell from 3.2% to 1.1%. Finally, offer decision options with trade-offs. Option A, launch now, faster revenue, higher rework risk. Option B, delay 2 weeks for validation, lower risk, slower revenue. Clarity beats defensiveness. Speak in concrete risk terms. Describe failure modes. API throttling causes checkout timeouts under peak load. Track leading indicators and thresholds. If P95 latency exceeds 450 milliseconds for 30 minutes, we trigger rollback. Connect risks to controls and mitigations. Rate limiting, auto-scaling, and canary deploys reduce load spikes. Then, state residual risk. After controls, we estimate a 1 to 2% chance of minor degradation, no data loss. This shows you understand how problems happen, how you'll detect them, and what remains after safeguards. End decisively. Restate the decision-ready ask. Approve a staged launch with a $300,000 contingency. Confirm monitoring and owners. Ops leads latency. Security owns audit findings. PM reports status. Set review cadence and triggers. Weekly checkpoints. Immediate review if churn greater than 0.5% or cost exceeds budget by 10%. Invite scrutiny and provide artifacts. We'll share the risk register, test results, and audit notes today. This close signals ownership, transparency, and readiness to act, exactly what leaders and regulators expect.